Hello guys and welcome to Money Royale YouTube channel. Before we start, go to subscribe to my channel to get more video on how much your favorite YouTube earn, and click on the bell icon to get all notification and never missing any new video. Now let's get started. So how do YouTuber get paid? They make by placing ad on their video, and placing more ads equal more money they can make on their videos. The second thing is CPM. It means the cost per 1,000 view. It is the amount of advertising pay to have his ad in your video, and they spend on average $4 per 1,000 views, and it's calculated based on how many people watch on video and from where they are watching. Many factors affect the CPM. It is includes demographic, content, gender, time of the watch. YouTube also will take 45% of your ad revenue from the advertising. Let's go to MrBeast channel analyst. Total subscribed 62 million. Total videos 700, total views 10 billion. And now let's go to monthly subscribe 1.4 million, monthly views 360 million, monthly income 360 million multiplied by 0.004 equal 1.440 billion. Early income 1.440 multiplied by 12 equals 17,280 billion. Guys, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like or comment, and let me know what the next YouTuber you want me to do next.